2008-നും 2012 ഫെബ്രുവരിക്കുമിടയിൽ യുഎഇയിൽ ആത്മഹത്യ ചെയ്ത പ്രവാസി ഇന്ത്യക്കാരുടെ എണ്ണം 342 ആണ്. സാമ്പത്തിക കാരണങ്ങളാണ് ഇവിടെ പ്രധാന വില്ലൻ. ലോൺ, ക്രെഡിറ്റ് കാർഡ്, സ്വന്തം സംരംഭങ്ങളിൽ പണം മുടക്കുന്നത് എന്നിവയൊക്കെ എവിടെയാണ് പ്രവാസിയെ കൊണ്ടെത്തിക്കുക എന്ന് പറയാനാകില്ല. സ്ട്രെസ്സുകൾക്ക് അടിപ്പെട്ട് ജീവിക്കേണ്ടി വരുന്ന പ്രവാസികൾക്കായി ലൗഡ് സ്പീക്കറിലൂടെ ചില നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾ നൽകുകയാണ് യുഎഇയിലെത്തിയ ഇന്ത്യൻ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ഓഫ് മാനേജ്മെന്റ് കോഴിക്കോടിന്റെ ഡയറക്ടർ Professor Debashish Chatterjee.
Okay, see, the first thing is that stress is not out there. Stress is perceived in here. If it was not perceived in here, then one person in similar circumstances, one person is not stressed, the other is stressed, which means this problem is not there. Problem is how we perceive it. Now, the best way to deal with stress is to recognize first that stress happens in your processing of an event. The best way to look at processing of an event internally is to slow down the processing. The best way to slow down the processing is to slow down your breathing. So instead of taking, let's say, 50 breaths a minute, you take about 10 breaths a minute. You breathe deep. And you breathe out slowly and deeply. What happens is your mind's processing of reality is slowed down. Once you are able to do that, that's number one. Number two, you should have a higher order ideal, whether it's a god or a goddess or some deity or somebody in the family that you admire who is extremely resilient, who is extremely calm. So when you remember this person, you automatically say, oh, how would this person would have dealt with this similar situation? And if he can deal with it better than you, then remembering this person will help you deal with it. Secondly, you should have multiple interests beyond your business. You should have interest in a hobby, you should have interest in somebody else's life, you should have interest in some other set of activities. That helps you balance your life's portfolio. Fundamentally, the other thing is you must exercise your brain a lot, because if the brain's bandwidth is less than the stress in the atmosphere, the brain is going to be ill-equipped. So the best food for the brain is plenty of water, tea, dark vegetables like broccoli, lot of exercise, and standing up and walking, not sitting in one place. Sitting in one place makes you very stressful because the brain is not processing enough blood. So the brain's food has to be given. The best food for the brain is, like I said, water, music, 50 to 70 beats per minute, classical music, not pop music. So these are the ways to beat stress, and I hope it works for you.